Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to use AI, Shortly AI to be precise, to answer some questions. These could be questions that you want to answer on a blog or an article, or maybe you just want to know the answers for yourself. So I'm going to show you how I would do this in Shortly AI. As always, I'm going to leave my affiliate link for Shortly AI in the description. I would greatly appreciate it that if you are interested in Shortly AI after watching this video, that you use my affiliate link to support the channel. That'd be great. They do have a trial at the moment, so you don't have to fully commit. The trial will let you try out Shortly AI before you have to actually pay anything. Anyway, I don't want this video to go on forever, so let's start to get on with it. So I'm going to go to new, and I'm going to go to article blog, and I'm just going to say like this: /instruct, please answer the question, what is the meaning of life? Question mark. And then I'm going to have that in speech marks, and you can see that I have it in brackets, and I spell instruct wrong. Sorry about that. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to now copy this. I'm going to add that in the article brief as is. That might help a little bit. For those of you that are new to Shortly AI, I'm using one of the commands. If you want to find out more about commands, in the bottom right hand side here there's an icon which looks like a piece of paper. You click on it, it gives you all of the commands and how to use them. Anyway, let's start to generate. The meaning of life can be different for each person. Different factors may include their culture, their religion, the time they're born, and the society in which they live. That's actually not bad. Okay, so just to show that wasn't a fluke, let's try another one. What is the fastest animal in the world? Now, one thing I will say is it is important that you do check the facts yourself, because this kind of AI, it doesn't really matter which AI writing service you use. And I just realized that I left the instruct thing in there. It didn't seem to make much of a difference, which is good, because obviously in the article brief then you don't need the instruct command. Whoopsie. But yeah, like, it doesn't really matter which AI writing service you use. All of them will sometimes throw out incorrect facts, so it's always important that you do actually fact check yourself before you use any of these answers. Okay, so please answer the question, what is the fastest animal in the world? Instruct, please answer the question, what is the fastest animal in the world? Okay, right for me. Let's see what it comes up with. I think it's like a cheetah, isn't it? There you go. The cheetah can reach even speeds of up to 75 miles per hour. There you go. That's pretty cool, isn't it? So there you go. That's how you can use Shortly AI to answer questions. I hope you enjoyed the video.